I'm probably 98% water. You're probably only 70% water.
I am like 90. I'm 98.2%.
Thank you, Kato.
Taking lessons from straight dads now.
I cannot even handle it.
Nobody can, Rin.
Adventure on Friday night when we were here.
If I hadn't forgot my phone, I could show you the video.
Oh. Oh, okay.
So we were here and like tooled around. We caught up with an old friend. We were like, oh yay, hot music, yeah. And we go out to my car. I was gonna give Haru a ride back to the car, which we parked separately. I'm like, I go to turn my key and it's like, nothing. And I was like, no. So we had to call AAA. And the guy took forever to get, well, like, it was actually a really short window, but he kept getting, like, lost, apparently. He called us, like, 4 times. I think it was, like, 3 or 4 times, and he called, like, where are you guys again? Are you west of this street? I'm like, dude, I don't fucking know.
And the first few times Rin answered the phone, he was like, are you on this street? And she's like, I don't know. I'm like, alright, give the phone to me. Yes, it's on this street. Yes, turn there. Yes. Alright, we'll see you soon.
And then my battery got jumped and we didn't die.
Oh, good job.
Doug's gonna be, all I can say is, you know, Doug's gonna be.
Hi. And here's Isaiah in his natural habitat. On the phone. Eating fast food.
Eating fast food. It's because Nami didn't cook for me today, so I need. Thank you so much.
Alright, why don't you make a French toast or whatever you make?
I need a little bit of variety.
Well, can't you just eat a lot of French toast and you'll get fat and then you'll have obesity and then you'll die from obesity? And you? Squints. Never mind.
When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly.
Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long.
Before I get more white.
I'm sorry. Did I need to use a water song? I offended the Haru.
This is not Haru. This is any Haru.
The Haru.
Thanks, guys. So I'm Todd. That's country music star Charlie. Katya. I want to see Katya. You don't even know the lyrics.
I know most of them.
Haru knows the water part. Of course he does.
I know the important part.
It says something about rivers, lakes, and I don't care about the rest. Waterfalls?
Where are we going, guys? What are we doing, guys?
Getting the fish.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Alright. fish.
Okay.
In the midst of getting the fish, this cute fucking print that I got from Yasmin. It's so adorable. It's Robin and Flash, and they're magical boys. It's cute Justice Defense Squad.
But what did you get? It's so adorable. I could cry. I could fall down the escalators with tears.
Please do not hold our left.
People.
He's done a good job.
He's like, he does.
Revised edition of No One Cares What Isaiah Does. I have been ditched. I have been ditched by our group. Me and Mikado have been ditched because Mikado decided to stay and keep me company. Mikado cares what Isaiah does. Mikado's nice. This is a Mikado in his natural habitat. Sometimes he wobbles from side to side.
Hello, Haru. There's water outside. Should go to the water. And there goes Haru.
Bye, Haru.
Haru! I swear to God.
Hello, Masami.
Hello. This is. Oh. Hello.
No, I'm back. I'm back.
I know. I was saying hello again.
Oh,
Why are we so close to my face? And here we have. No, just nothing. No tour guys.
No.
No tour of the city.
Oh, yeah, we have Isaiah in his natural state.
But you're not in front of a computer or on your phone.
Being alone.
Being alone. That's the natural state.
You made it! Better photo shoot would be me. Just saying. Not that one. No.
What happens when you put two egocentric characters together?
It's all about me.
I made love with the camera. Did you? Nope. Didn't.
Me. Me. Not that one.
It's me. So forget about this one. You don't want to know anything about this one. You don't want to know anything about this one.
Alright, why don't you tell us about that little event that just happened?
This nice security man, he was actually very nice. He came up to me and asked me about my vending machine. And he asked to make sure if it was a prop, because I guess the top guy wanted to know, make sure it was a prop for the thing going down to Rensen from 2X. And I'm pretty sure they thought I stole a real vending machine. And I can't, I'm so out of character right now, I cannot continue. He had to repeat it to the guy like 4 times. He's like, it's a prop. It's a prop.
You know, like cardboard, duct tape, and the Comic-Con.
Comic-Con. He was a very nice man.
He was very nice. Charming him. There he is in the background there, but...
Very nice.
Yep. So that was an
first I was
adventure.
like, oh god, should I like leave? Holy crap. So I just wanted to be known for the record, I was not the one that was almost arrested. Whoa. 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 Didn't even hit me.
Let me aim better. There we go.
It was so refreshing.
That's really nice.
Okay, we're gonna take pictures.
So we are on our way home from MQX. Woo! It was a good Sunday. All in all, it was still a very tiny con, which is really weird because it's Yomicon, it's con, and Yomicon is huge. They did do better with dealers.
So big. So much bigger.
So much bigger. We can actually walk around and not see the same people like 5 times in the same room. The artist alley was still tiny, but apparently they were sold out.
It's public though, too, right?
Yeah, it was a public artist alley.